Hey, Petty Fan, we're back with another video. We're doing Mod of God with Black Jeopardy versus Instagram Baddies. Let's get into it.
The ladies versus the fellas in Black Jeopardy. You feel me? Shout out your names, cause this is on my team is my boy.
Hey man, Tytheguy after that vibe, man. You know I ain't coming to lose, man. I'm coming to put him to sleep, man. Have him snooze, man.
Right. 1, 2, 3, niggas.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your girl Asha. You know who it is. I'm back with my business. It's Tammaria.
What's y'all team name?
1, 2, 3. Lover girls. Yeah. Wait, that don't sound like we got win. That don't sound like winner girls.
That was trash right there.
You know it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, all right, my boy. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Damn! Damn!
Let's go.
I want to start over again.
Damn!
No!
Let's go.
Dang! That was close.
Okay, so y'all gonna pick our questions and we gonna pick y'all questions. But
how do you know if it's 400, 500 or 400?
Because we're gonna pick it out right now, and it's screen recorded, so I'm gonna edit in there.
Oh, so
but
it's get harder. Okay.
What you wanna go for?
Oh, okay.
Do you wanna put pressure on them?
But we'll win bigger points if they do.
Let's
right?
keep it humble.
Right?
You the team captain, brother. You the team captain.
Let's go. Name that black movie for 300. Click that. What's the question? Let's go, Ty.
This notorious film star Oprah Winfrey coined the phrase "You show is ugly."
I think.
The color purple.
That's what I think.
The color purple. Click the space bar.
Yeah, we gotta know if they were
We
wrong.
gotta know for fact they're wrong.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, come on. We got this in the bag. Come on, my nigga.
You gotta answer it
Come on,
correctly.
yes we said. No, we said what is the color purple? That's what we said. Let's go, Ty.
Okay.
Let's go, nigga. I literally just guessed that from the top of my head, bro.
Let's do that.
That's my favorite.
Hell yeah, man. Let's fucking
Let's
go,
do that. What
man.
y'all wanna do?
Shout out to Tytheguy, man.
That was good shit,
That
bro.
was fucking
That was good shit right here, boy.
Okay,
Easy shit, bro.
we're gonna do the name that black movie for 400.
Name that black movie for 400.
Okay, alright. Trying to stay in the same lane.
This 2005 comedy based in Atlanta was famous for their quirky clientele. Quote, you want a cappuccino? No, baby, I don't eat or drink nothing I can't spell.
Is that Cooper?
Say it again. Can you do it one more time?
This 2005 comedy based in Atlanta was famous for their quirky clientele. Quote, you want a cappuccino? No, baby, I don't eat or drink nothing I can't spell.
I ain't know these here, man.
What y'all want to say?
I mean, I still like answer. I don't know.
I have no idea, y'all. I really don't. What is that? Comment below.
Based the ATL 2005 comedy. It was all live in 2005.
Hell yeah.
I was 12.
I was.
Is it ATL? Was that a comedy? Not really. I don't know.
Is it something y'all?
Y'all went in
No,
on
it
goddamn
wasn't.
Atlanta.
And it wasn't. They
What you
wasn't
think?
coming
What
to
you
one
think? What you
place.
think, Good?
Like, I said Good Burger.
We said Good Burger. We gonna say
What is Good Burger?
what is Good Burger?
I'm gonna say ATL. Fuck it.
Oh.
Shit. Nigga, they throwing it back with Queen Latifah and
I wasn't.
Cedric the Entertainer. They throwing it back.
Yeah, I went for 400. That's
It's okay. It's okay. We gonna come back. Badger bitches. Badger
Wait,
will come
we're
back.
already at 0.
Let's get
The
it.
baddies will come back.
Let's get it.
The baddies will come back.
Let's go. Let's go.
He gonna bail me out. He gonna
look.
bail me out.
Keep it light.
Can I pick this one, bro?
Keep it light though. Keep it light.
That's what I'm
They
saying.
scary. They playing scary.
Nah,
Because
we
scary money
playing
don't make
smart.
no money.
No, we smart, nigga. Like, what you think? Is you a high gambler or you gonna
What you
goddamn?
gonna do? See, gamble, bro.
Look, bro, I'm choosing because I want to be a little smart, but then again, at the same time, you want to be a little risky at the same time.
Come on, Ty.
Goddamn. We're gonna do Hip Hop Essentials 500. Cause I got MOD on my team.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, this gonna put us in the hole. This gonna put us in the hole if we get it wrong.
Ties the Beatles is
Only artists with at least 20 hot 100 top 10.
Can you say that with
in
a
the single
grade
day.
level?
Ties the Beatles as only artists with at least 20 hot 100
Oh, that's easy.
hundreds in a single decade. ties the Beatles as only artists with at least 20 hot, 100 top.
Hey, look, bro. Look, you the captain, bro. You the captain.
All right, let's do it.
What is it?
Let's do it. What you want to go? I'll go with
You the captain, bro. You the captain.
I trust my teammates.
I know. I trust you. You the captain, my nigga.
Y'all got, come on, 5.
Drake. What is Drake? Come on, it gotta be Drake. It gotta be Drake.
Let's go!
Great guess, y'all. That was pretty good.
I'm so freaking. I knew that. That was my only thing I knew.
Hip Hop Essentials 200.
It's not that we're following you. We literally said this before they picked it.
This first female.
Hey, but y'all need to go to 400, right? Y'all gotta get out the hole. 200 ain't gonna do you no good. She up here scared money won't make money, but you ain't never making none. You losing, sis. Get your life.
Solo artist staff 7 songs on the Billboard Hot 100 simultaneously.
Oh, that's easy.
What is Beyonce?
Beyonce?
He said that's easy.
No, that's easy.
Are we going Beyonce?
No, I don't want to go Beyonce. I'm gonna say Adele.
Go ahead.
First of all, this is black.
Exactly. Get him, Maya. Thank you. Thank you, sir. No, it's not Adele, honey. It is not. Now they said first. I'm gonna say Whitney Houston or somebody, but I mean it could be Beyonce. It very well could be.
He is not.
He let me look at crazy.
You brought up Eminem. You brought up Eminem earlier, and Adele.
You're right. I forgot it was black.
I really feel like the only answer would have to be like Nicki.
Come on, Nicki ain't got that many.
Or Lauren.
Nicki Minaj, Beyonce.
Okay, so alright, let's say they said Beyonce.
Or Cardi B, nigga.
I told them it was Nicki. They told them it was Nicki.
Bro,
I told them it was me.
Alright, Nicki. Alright, girl. I see you, sis. Yes, girl. Yes, ma'am.
Yo, let's try Millennial Negro Spirituals for 100.
Okay, that's a straight one.
That's a straight. It was time to marry the game.
And I said, yeah, I do. Every one of you guys here with a clear view. And shorty, she trying to bless me like.
First off, they keep getting an easy question.
That's a 100. Y'all didn't want to go for the cheat.
Exactly.
Y'all haven't tried to be cheap.
Oh, wow.
You went cheating. So
we didn't know questions ready.
what is Meek Mill Dreams and Nightmares intro? That should be it. Dream Chasers intro. See, Dreams and Nightmares.
That's crazy.
That's easy shit, boy.
Wow.
Add them points up.
You're not black.
Add them points up.
Damn, we down 600.
Let's go Black Pioneers.
I mean, we as dark
We
skinned
going Black
niggas.
Pioneers 100.
Black Pioneers 100. First black female billionaire.
It's Oprah.
No. See. Girl. What is Why she let me down like this? It's a question for the ladies. The ladies. And you gonna get it wrong? Girl.
Hey, I'm about to say y'all better.
What is Oprah? Because I know my billionaires.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to be a rich bitch.
We don't know.
All right, I was wrong.
Let's just keep it humble.
William.
Hip Hop Essentials for 100.
Okay, yeah. Let me answer this shit, nigga.
Get it right.
This black rapper has made millions from several multi-platinum albums and has also started on the famous television show Power.
I know.
AKA, don't get it fucked up. 2 quarters, my nigga, 50 Cent, nigga.
Yeah, who is 2 quarters?
Come on, nigga.
I told you
2
that
quarters,
you
nigga.
get
50 Cent, nigga.
Who is 2 quarters? Add that.
God damn.
Add that to us. Yeah.
That's so crazy.
So what happens if we lose? Y'all didn't. We ain't nothing good. Great.
Nah, we can figure something out.
Nah, we didn't say that before we played, so we ain't
We can
doing
definitely figure
it.
something out.
Yeah.
She right. You can't be doing it in the middle of the game as far as like what the penalty is for losing.
Name that black movie 200.
I hope y'all get something.
Oh, y'all, come on.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh. That's how high, right?
I'm gonna help y'all out.
Don't.
I'm gonna just say
Chill
it.
out. Chill out.
I'm not gonna say the name, but I'm gonna just say it like it. My grandma gave me that chain.
Summer Wake Up. What is Friday?
That should be the answer.
Yeah!
I don't know no other movie stars.
I don't really watch
Dang, I got that wrong too, y'all. Shoot. I'm gonna sit down and be quiet now. I'm glad I ain't playing.
Okay, Todd, we can be a little risky now.
Yeah, let's
Name
go.
that black movie 500.
Name that black movie 500, man.
Easy shit at this
I get it, man.
In 1996, comedy parody is known for its quote, dashiki. Now, kids, what do we say to the man that mommy just met? Kids, are you my daddy? Oh,
Don't be a menace to.
Thank you.
you got to say
Come on
that.
now, my nigga. Come on now, come on. Don't be a menace. Don't be a menace to society while drinking orange
Oh
juice.
my God.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my
Let's fucking go, nigga. Let's
God.
fucking go, nigga.
That's like the only black movies that I know are like comedy.
That's what he said. He was like,
Are you my daddy?
I remember that shit. Damn, I'm black. I'm like, look, come on, Ma, you know
Come on, they keep questioning you, Todd.
We gotta do some 500. We need to get some points. We need
What y'all doing?
But then if we get it wrong, we'll be 500 and whole.
General black knowledge. I feel like that nobody
Let's
says
just do
that.
general. Yeah, let's do just to do
General
what do you want to do?
knowledge.
200.
Y'all need to get on the hole.
Wait.
Y'all already said it.
I never said 500.
No.
I didn't say that, but what do you want to do?
I think y'all should.
I think I'm generally a black person, so I will know something.
Okay, yeah, we're good for 500.
Okay.
Staple item is found in every black household and sometimes in Beyonce.
Hot sauce. Y'all got this. Come on, sis.
Hot sauce.
What is hot sauce?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, back out the hole.
Yes, sir.
What is hot sauce? My bag.
They ain't at the hole, but I'm gonna let them have it.
We got
On some real shit, bro. We've been busting their ass, so I'm feeling a little risky, and that's just even being gentlemen and giving y'all a chance. We're gonna go for another 500, nigga. We're gonna go for Black Pioneers.
You're not
Let's go.
captain.
Black Pioneers 500.
You agree with that?
I do.
Team captain?
This black activist court case led to the desegregation of American higher education.
Who I know
Oh
this
my
too.
God. Is it? Nah, I know shit like this.
No, you don't.
It's not Brown versus Board of Education. Is it? No.
It's a black activist court case led to the desegregation of a higher American education.
I'm not even finished.
Yo, is it?
It's a black activist court case. NAACP.
It's either Brown
It's brown.
versus Board of Education or is it Ruby?
It's a activist.
Oh my goodness.
Am I wrong?
Yeah, you're wrong.
I said activist court case. Nah.
That was a court case.
But we're talking about is this Thurgood Marshall?
Which one is it?
Answer, don't do that. Hit our answer.
Niggas been said that shit.
Hit our answer. What's the answer? Hopefully we're all wrong.
Let me fuck they asses up. Let me fuck they.
We didn't even get it
I
right.
don't even know who
Get the mic,
is,
I got
nigga.
Swift versus Painter.
Who the hell is?
True. You know what is this?
Yo,
Okay, millennial Negro spirituals 300.
Oh, okay, that's a nice one. Let me read this
when I look back,
Can we read it too?
when I look back over what he brought me through, I realized what I made it because I had to hold on to.
Never would have made it. I never would have made it. That's the song.
What is never would I?
Oh, we gotta name the person that is by it or
The
the
song.
song.
The song.
Yeah, never would have made it.
I would think it's
What is never would have never
Would have made it.
never could have made it. Never could have made it without you.
Okay.
Never would've made it. Okay.
So that's 500.
Yeah, that's what I know.
I get that song.
Okay, Ty, we gotta chill out.
Yeah.
General black
Yeah,
knowledge
that's it.
for 200.
Okay, yeah, that's straight.
General black knowledge.
Y'all scared, right? Don't make
18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch.
Rims.
Yeah,
Yeah, they ran.
That's rims.
yeah, bro, what a
Or
rim.
it could be weave.
Weave. What is
That's what I was gonna say. That's what I was gonna say.
You gotta think outside the box,
How
nigga.
can I say it before they
What
gotta
is
answer it?
weave?
No,
What
but at the
is
same
weave?
time, no.
What if it's rims?
I'm thinking,
What
no, if
I think it's rim.
niggas talking about rims, I wouldn't say the 18 inches. I would go 20, 22, 20.
Okay, let's go weaves. Let's go weaves.
That's
What is
not
weave?
even fair.
Because I can't even say no answer. We can't still no answers.
You was so convinced. He was like, oh yeah.
But I know, bring the
Y'all, we can't do this say nothing. I
No,
know.
we over here. No.
Y'all gonna look at these clips and you'll see how they're literally listening to me. And then
You heard her say
No, hell no, I ain't hear you say shit. I ain't hear you say shit.
Hold on.
that's why I said they always, y'all
No,
always.
I ain't hear you say a
What
damn.
is like, and you said what?
No, they're different. They're different.
There's two different
Nigga,
things. There's two
bundles
different.
and weave is
No,
the
it's
same shit.
Y'all cheating. That's as close as a brother gonna get. So let them have that one.
I didn't say nothing. Y'all spilling it out my mouth. So it's
Negro
like
spirit points for 200.
What is y'all going to tell them to answer for then?
They taking it real easy.
Y'all just did too.
Remember who that? Well, come on, you gotta know that.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Bro, I ain't even gonna lie, brother. If I was on the opposite team, I don't know.
Play your part. Play your card. Yeah. Choosy. Never without the like under the cover.
Oh,
I know that.
I know you want to pimp, but pimp, remember what I taught you. Keep your heart 3 stacks.
International player.
Keep your heart 3 stacks. Oh! I know this one. Yeah, I know this one. Yeah.
It's
What'd you say?
It's Andre 3000. What song?
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am. What is Andre 3000? But what song is it by Andre 3000? And or you know what I'm talking about? Outkast. It is Outkast, but I don't know what song it is from Outkast.
You sure it's Outkast?
Hell yeah, I'm 100% sure
you're
it's
100%
Outkast.
sure.
I know it's
Are you
Outkast.
guys ready?
It's Outkast.
Okay.
We'll give it to you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
it is Outkast.
That's not motherfucking Outkast. No, it
Yes,
ain't.
it is Outkast.
No, it ain't.
It is the Outkast.
It's UGK and Andre 3000.
It's UGK. It's
That's
UGK.
him saying it though. That's Andre 3000 saying it. I said that.
Andre 3000 is saying
That's his part. That's his part. You can't.
As much as I like UGK, they right. It's Outkast and it's the Houston rapper. It's Bun B and Bun B now. Pimp C. That's them and Andre 3000 with Outkast.
Oh yeah, isn't his part of the
It's
song?
part, but then
I didn't know the name of the
Let's
song,
get
but I
it
just told you the name of who was saying
We'll give it to them. We'll
Cause
give it
like,
to them.
come on now.
We'll give it
But
to
you're
them.
the minor. You're the fucking cow.
Let's do this.
Y'all not giving it to me?
We gave it to you.
They give it.
We gave it to you. We definitely gave it to you.
Oh man, that's some bullshit.
What's y'all?
Yo,
It's literally him saying
Ty, we
that
gonna
was
give them
bad.
that, and we still gonna do this.
Yeah.
Here, what you wanna do?
I'm going to do. Cause that's my.
Let's go Negro Spiritual Fire Honcho, man.
500. Shoot. Okay.
No need to ask where I'm from. You already know I represent the Asian from the head to my toes. I know this.
Sorry, I don't know nothing about the A-Mo.
I'm not saying anything no more. I'm not giving y'all nothing.
Ask where I'm from. You already know. Representing from the A head to my toes. Yeah, come on.
How many A artists are there? I mean, and is this all like? It looks like these questions are like 90 types, right? Is it just me? So if we're going there, I'm thinking like So Def now, you know, Jermaine Dupri, or like what's his name? Luda. I'm thinking Luda.
Oh, this England.
Is it?
Let me see. Let me say that.
Cause I know it.
No need to ask where I'm
I ain't
from.
gonna
You
do that.
already
Every time
know.
say something,
I
they
represent
gonna be
A
like,
to the tone.
Emerson.
I'm gonna go with Michael Jackson.
Oh,
Are you kidding? Are you serious?
Bruh. Michael Michael Jackson is from Gary, Indiana, sir. I mean,
We can go Ludacris. But the Ludacris?
We say T.I.
That was a straight guess. What the fuck?
Oh, you gotta answer the song.
Do it.
That's Sierra.
Do it.
That's Sierra if that's it. That is Sierra. That is Sierra's song.
Where I'm from.
I was right.
I represent the A from the head to my cheek. See, I was thinking something else.
Damn it, Ty, it's scores.
Oh, it's even.
The score's tied, Ty.
So
The score's gonna be a tie, Ty.
Like, are you
Listen,
kidding me?
we are back. And what are the ladies going with right now?
General black knowledge for 300.
Okay, don't fuck that now.
Okay, don't fucking play.
The person who says, I'm not one of your little friends.
I'm not one of your little friends.
Your mom.
Yeah.
What is your mom?
That's your mama, your grandma, or somebody like that.
That was easy, damn
You want to take the lead?
General, let's go, Ty. General, let's go. Hip Hop Essentials for 300.
Okay.
Hip Hop Essentials for 300. We ain't worried about them.
This molecule has a net worth of $820 million credited to his successes in fashion, music, alcohol, and television.
I'm saying Diddy. I'm saying Diddy.
Yeah, Diddy.
I'm saying Diddy. He's the only one that fits that criteria.
You know, he had Ciroc. He had Making the Band.
820 million.
He had whatever his fashion shit
I had
is.
somebody in my head.
Bad Boy.
Hit that for us.
Captain.
Hit that for us.
I think
Okay.
it. What is it? No.
Hit that for us. I'm telling you. Come on, Ty. What are we worried about? What are we worried about?
Yeah, nigga.
Y'all
What
need
you
to
worried about
time.
shit? I ain't worried about that. Nigga, I ain't worried about that.
But if we get down.
But we just go. They gonna go for something. So it's just like,
Let's do it.
what did you? What are you doing?
Ty, game right now. Ty, we need up by like
No, one bet can fuck it up. You gotta charge it to the game.
freaking Heman Sweat. Heman Sweat.
There's 300.
Okay.
Because if they get the next one and it's small, then they only go.
First Black Supreme Justice.
Is that
I know they don't know this shit.
Marshall?
Ooh.
I think that's the.
They got it. Go ahead and say it, y'all.
What is
Said
What is
Joe
third?
Mathis.
Marshall?
He said, what is third?
Joe Brown.
Marshall.
He said, Judge Mathis, I can't stand you.
Thurgood Marshall.
Your girl graduated college this year. Okay, shout out to Georgia State. What the fuck are you talking about? Yeah. Black Exodus, okay.
That was tough.
That was a. Yeah!
Came in clutch.
I done got all them black white names. We might have to run them guys up. You girls know the motherfucking people, okay?
400 Hip Hop Essentials.
I fucked that was dope.
This rapper was an honor student at McBain Magnet School and also attended the University of Houston.
Like this down.
Lil Wayne.
Yeah, I said.
I think I know who this is. Ooh.
Oh, it's a rapper.
I'm saying this is not Megan Thee Stallion. Didn't she just graduate from college?
Nigga, recent.
She graduated from TSU from Texas Southern, not U of H.
Hey, this shit is recent as fuck.
Attended.
Right. Attended is not graduated.
Damn.
You
I
just
think
put
it's
that
Trap.
there.
I think it's Trap.
You gonna Travis Scott?
I will Trap.
We say next time.
I was
Little.
period.
Little
Period.
Wayne.
I got it right. I told you. I knew that one.
This nigga Lil Wayne stopped going to school in the 7th grade.
What the fuck? When did Lil Wayne go to school?
That's what I'm saying.
Yo, this is
Oh,
crazy.
so maybe we might can afford to be a little risky now.
Yeah, we definitely can. Yeah. So what you wanna do?
I say
Yeah,
Like, I was
let's
not
think
thinking
of
Lil
the
Wayne.
best.
general black knowledge 400.
I think I'm German.
400?
400. Stop playing with us.
I thought you said 4 or 100. I didn't know you said 400. My fault.
Respond to this statement. Mom, can we go?
Oh my
Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. You got me down on money. What you got me down funny? Because I'm black.
Bro, not a whooping her ass. All right.
Because I don't know.
I fucked it up.
Bro,
That's the shit right there. That's the shit. That's how you come back and dab
Millennial Negro spirituals for 400.
We did. We was down on it.
Millennial Negro spirituals for 400.
Hey, hold on. Can we double? Can we?
He's the team captain. Let the team captain speak.
For 400, bro. There's nothing we can do right now. We gotta hope they get something wrong.
Can we do like a bonus question or something?
Nigga, no.
No.
Come on, 400 us, please. Negro spirituals, please.
Oh, you scared.
I pull up to the club, VIP, gas tank, all leave a drink, tall me, wipe it down.
Yeah. Yeah. That was good.
VIP, gas tank,
y'all wanna pick?
keep it all drinks on me.
Damn, Todd.
700. They don't have no chance.
All right, Maya. Now, see, Maya was being a gentleman, but Maya messed his own self up with this game because I appreciate him being nice to the sisters and everything. But technically, homegirl way back when, she did not have it. So, you did to see yourself.
Damn, Todd.
They don't have no
Can
chance.
we do a bonus or something? We do a bonus?
Yeah, name that black movie.
Do
Y'all
bonus.
already lost.
Damn, Todd.
No, y'all don't get no bonus.
They not black movie. And it's coming, and this black coming of age romance, the male-led acts, who you going to dance with anyways.
This is Love and Basketball.
Yep,
What is Love and Basketball?
Damn, Ty.
Perfect.
Black Pioneers for 400.
Come on, double points.
First African American to cover GQ, Sports Illustrated, as well as be featured in Victoria's Secret
Oh,
lingerie.
bitch. Oh, bitch.
Now, bruhs, y'all don't know this? I want to say I think it's Sarah Banks.
Oh, bitch. Bitch, oh, bitch. Okay, period.
Bro, it's gotta be.
I'm not saying shit.
Serena Williams, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I forgot Sports Illustrated. You're right. It's probably Serena.
Gotta be Venus or Serena.
What?
Don't do it.
No, because y'all
Just let them answer. Don't just say nothing.
Damn.
Sports Illustrated don't mean it. It's they gotta play it. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna say either Tyra or Naomi Campbell, maybe. One of them two.
Lisa Leslie.
Bitch, go. Which one of y'all going with?
Word? It's not Serena.
Can I?
What is Serena Williams?
I'm gonna let. I think it's. Can I say that's what y'all going with? Because I think it's Naomi Campbell.
Naomi Campbell.
Yeah, she's a model. These are all models.
Sports Illustrated.
I don't see.
Or it's Tyra Banks. Either one.
Tyra Banks
ain't
or
run track,
Or he was.
Can you get us in there?
Go
Can you
ahead.
get us in there?
And there you go. And like I said, don't freaking question me. I was thinking Tyra Banks.
Yo, I can't believe this shit.
I was like, is he?
I'm with her now. She doing good. Okay, I'm sorry, girl. I apologize because you had it all the time. I was down you. I'm gonna be real with it. I ain't gonna be petty. I'm gonna be real. She know her stuff.
I don't care if Tyra Banks or.
I can't believe this shit. I can't believe this shit, Tom.
I really knew that.
We got clapped.
We was good with it. We could have got that because we would have debated it. And I would have been like,
Yeah.
Man,
Y'all
that's
see
that damn
Tyra
Herbert
Banks.
Wilson.
And I was like, no, it's either Tyra Banks or Campbell. Those are the OGs of modeling. That was a model question.
Zero back knowledge. 100.
This is some bullshit.
This is
Yeah, y'all lost. It's over.
that Herbert
We
Wilson.
came all the way
It's a model question.
back, bro.
Right.
The pie we eating on Thanksgiving. Sweet potato pie.
Y'all agree?
Yep. Period, because I was the only one I eat.
I guess it's Black Pioneers for
They're talking
200.
all that junk.
First African American second baseman.
Jackie Robinson.
I'm going to say that too. Period.
Come on, my nigga. I knew that
That's
shit,
the only
nigga.
black.
Bro, man, I'm upset, my nigga. Like,
We won.
So
Bro, we like double they scored. Like
That's crazy. We really beat they really good.
Oh,
and we
right.
came back from the bottom.
exactly negative.
Alright.
Y'all
That is the end of the video of a game of Black Jeopardy. Ty is the reason we lost.
man, no, Herbert Wilson is.
Y'all ladies won. Y'all did a good job. I'm proud of y'all. Represent.
We lost.
I'm going out like that. Congratulations, ladies,
Thank
for
you.
Dang.
winning.
I'll take you. Yeah.
Yeah, you're a sore loser. It's okay. It's okay. You're a sore loser.
Ty, you do the same sportsmanship.
You was the captain, so I'll go ahead and do that. If it's up to me, hell no.
That's sportsmanship.
All right, y'all.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.